In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy items in Monday.com with Clone Plus. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first step is to locate the board you want to work with. So, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the workspace where your original board is situated. This is important because it'll ensure you're working in the right area of your projects. Once you're in the correct workspace, it's time to open the menu. Hover your mouse over the name of the board you wish to copy in the left-hand panel. You will notice a three-dot icon appearing next to the board's name. Click on that icon to reveal a set of options. Now, from the menu options that pop up, select Duplicate. This action will lead you to the Duplication Settings window, where you will be able to customize your new board to your liking. In the duplication settings, the next step is to name your new board. Choose a clear, descriptive name for your new board. A tip here is to use consistent naming conventions, such as adding a date or a client name. This practice really helps to keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to locate boards later on. After naming your board, you'll have to choose the type of duplication you want. You have 3 levels of data to select from. The first option is board structure only. This choice will copy the groups, columns, and views, but it will not carry over any tasks, making it perfect for creating a clean template. The second option is board structure and items. This selection will copy both the framework and all tasks, though it generally won't include conversation updates. It strikes a balance between a clean setup and maintaining the necessary information. The last option is board structure, items, and updates. This is the most comprehensive choice, as it copies everything, including the full activity and conversation history. Depending on your needs, select the appropriate level of duplication that suits your project. Now that you've made your selections, it's time to manage subscribers. This step is crucial if you want to keep the same team members notified about the new board. You can do this by checking or unchecking the Keep Board Subscribers box according to your preference. Finally, to wrap up the process, click on the Duplicate button. Once you do this, your new board will appear right in the same workspace, usually positioned next to the original one. This makes it easy for you to find and access it immediately. And that's it! You have successfully copied your items using Clone Plus in Monday.com. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.